Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming access and permissions so query is run without interruption. Once done, open the query wizard and pick the target database and schema. This ensures you query the right data. Next, define a time range and default filters so results are scoped correctly, and check connection options. Make sure to save a session name. This lets you return quickly. These first steps reduce later rework and get you into the actual query building flow immediately. You now assemble the core query. Add joins and subqueries where relationships demand them, and use aggregate functions for summaries. Once you write a section, preview results with limit 100 or sample mode to validate structure and types before executing the full run. This prevents long waits. Then replace literals with parameterized inputs so the wizard can reuse the template safely. Make sure to test parameters with edge case values, and you finish by validating results against expectations, exporting to CSV or JSON, and saving the query template for reuse. That preserves your work. Once saved, schedule recurring runs or automate execution, and set alerts so you're notified on failures. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot by checking execution logs, verifying the connection and credential status, and confirming parameter types and null handling. This single tip often resolves most issues. Finally, iterate on indexes or query plans to
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.